Name the longest serving Chief Minister in India. Answer: Pawan Kumar Chamling. Which is the highest dam in India? Answer: Tehri Dam. Which is the largest river island in India? Answer: Majuli Island. Which is the tallest plung waterfall in India? Answer: Nahakalikai Falls. Which is the India's smallest union territory? Answer: Lakshadweep. Which is the longest canal in India? Answer: Indira Gandhi Canal. Which is the highest rank in the Indian Army? Answer: Field Marshal. Which is the longest national highway in India? Answer: NH-44. Which is the southernmost point of Indian territory? Answer: Indira Point. Which is the highest civilian award in India? Answer: Bharat Ratna. Which is the largest state of India by area? Answer: Rajasthan. Which is the longest tributary river in India? Answer: Yamuna River. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Answer: Ular Lake. Which state in India has the longest coastline? Answer: Gujarat. Which is the highest sport award in India? Answer: Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. Which is the largest artificial island in India? Answer: Wellington Island. Which is the longest dam in India? Answer: Hirakud Dam. Which is the longest lake in India? Answer: Vembanad Lake. Which is the longest glacier in India? Answer: Siachen Glacier. Which is the highest commercial airport in India? Answer: Kushal Bakula Rimpoche Airport. Which is the largest port in India? Answer: Mumbai Port. Which is the largest oxbow lake in India? Answer: Kanwar Lake. Which was the longest serving Prime Minister of India? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Which is the longest beach in India? Answer: Marina Beach. Which is the highest waterfall in India? Answer: Kunchikal Falls. Which is the largest dam of India by volume? Answer: Rehand Dam. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? Answer: Kanchenjunga. Which is the smallest state of India by area? Answer: Goa. Which is the oldest high court in India? Answer: Kolkata High Court. Which country shares the longest border with India? Answer: Bangladesh. Which is the oldest mountain range of India? Answer: Aravalli Range. Which state in India has the highest literacy rate? Answer: Kerala. Which region in India has the lowest altitude? Answer: Kutanad. Which is the busiest airport in India? Answer: Indira Gandhi International Airport. Which is the tallest statue in India? Answer: Statue of Unity. Which is the most populated state in India? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Which is the longest river flowing in India? Answer: Ganges. Which is the widest waterfall in India? Answer: Chitrakote Falls. Which is the largest plateau in India? Answer: Deccan Plateau. Which planet in our solar system has the longest rotation period? Answer: Venus. Which planet is furthest from the Sun? Answer: Neptune. Which is the smallest planet in the solar system? Answer: Mercury. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Answer: Venus. Which was the longest serving president of India? Answer: Rajendra Prasad. Which is the oldest dam in India? Answer: Kallanai Dam. Which is the smallest of India in terms of population? Answer: Sikkim. Which is the youngest mountain range of India? Answer: Himalayas. Which is the largest district in India? Answer: Kutch, Gujarat. Which is the southernmost point of the Indian mainland? Answer: Kanyakumari. Which is the fastest spinning planet in our solar system? Answer: Jupiter. Which is the slowest spinning planet in our solar system? Answer: Venus.